Welcome to 48 Canary Reed Court. This beautiful 5-bed, 3.5-bath home is located in the desirable neighborhood of Holly in Barrie. The location of this home is perfect for families looking to be walking distance to schools, parks, a short distance to restaurants and shops, and the rec center. You're gonna totally love this open concept living, not only for entertaining, but for everyday family life. Fully renovated from top to bottom, you're gonna love this brand new gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops. With tons of natural light, this primary bedroom offers a walk-in closet and a fully renovated ensuite bathroom. You're gonna enjoy relaxing in this freshly landscaped backyard under the covered porch on those bright summer days. For more information on this listing or any of our others, contact us at joneshomes.ca or any of our social media.